Hey, you wanna learn? Stop it, Yoinglish.
So, yo guys, I hope everyone's fine. Anyway, so today I'm going to talk about the importance of two things. One is speaking practice and one is reading practice. So, why these two things are important? Let me say, I'll give you organic example, and that is suppose why reading and speaking is important because reading and speaking make your pronunciation better, make your pronunciation clear, make your pronunciation your own. Like the way you speak, it will come from when you read and when you speak. When you practice these two things, suppose if you never read, if you never speak, then when it comes to speak to someone, a foreigner or your client or your teacher or your foreign friends, so you have to talk to them. But suppose you have never pronunciated the word sacrifice, the word play, as just giving you example, play and sacrifice. So if you haven't practiced these two words, so but now you have to speak them, so how can you pronounce it? You will say sacri. You can't say that because you haven't pronounced it yet. So this is the problem, this is the importance of reading and speaking. So what how does reading help you? The reading, when you read too much, in the first sense, it helps you to have complex sentences in your mind. Like you see the complex sentence, the structure, you can get that. If you don't understand it, you can search it in the Google, then you understand the complex structure of the sentences or new phrases or the way of speaking. You can learn that, and when you speak, you know the complex sentences, you can now speak that. Now it's time to speak. But if you don't speak, when it comes to talk to the people, you can't pronunciate it because you haven't spoken it yet. So if you suppose you read Chinese or you know Chinese, but if you don't pronounce it, like if you don't pronounce, then how can you speak Chinese? Or how can you be better in that? How can your accent be better? No, so to make your accent look better, to make your speaking more fluent, you have to speak that and read also. So in this sense, reading and speaking, these two things are so much important.